Guys, I am Arya and welcome to the Iconic channel. So in today's video, I'll show that how to unbox a JBL headphone. So let's start. I'm using it for the second time because I have unboxed it as the day it came. So now I'll tell you. See the how much we can stretch to, how much we can adjust to our ears. So see, this time my ears, as you imagine, are here, means are big. So I can just keep it here and just watch like this and stretch it. So see now, there's that. So it's a pin, so we should insert it in the mobile and hear as much as songs as you want. So now I'll talk about the price. The price of it is 300 rupees. 300 no sorry 500 rupees. So now bye guys, please like, subscribe, put the bell icon to be on the notifications for. Thank you.